So, this is my tutorial on how to make a DIY GoPro. The only thing you need is a 20mm PVC pipe, and you need your three-way pivot arm that you got in your GoPro box. Okay, all you have to do is you take this three-way pivot arm piece, you just push it in here, and then it sits quite tight. Pull it. It sits quite tough. But what I did is I drilled 2 holes right here and there, and I put screws through it. And if you want it to float on water, all you do is you take like insulation and you put it over, and you have a nice handle too. That's it. Subscribe to my channel and watch our next few videos coming in a few days.